Hello there, welcome back to Cypherock X1 tutorials. In today's video, you will learn how to restore wallets from your X1 cards. So follow along. To restore wallet from cards, go to the settings and select restore wallet from cards. Tap any X1 card below the X1 vault. Now you have to sync each wallet one by one. You can choose to sync which wallet you wish to restore. Tap one X1 card below the X1 vault. Tap another X1 card below the X1 vault. Follow the same steps to restore all your wallets from the X1 cards. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to restore your wallets from your X1 cards. Well done.